Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a good, solid move. I mean, from where it closed here to where it was yesterday, that's some good, solid price movement. Sure, there was a little bit of a pullback here, but still, like I said, comparing to where it was yesterday to where it is now, good, solid move. But that does bring up the question, all right, is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that level is right down here at 30 cents. Why is 30 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 30 cents. Any sort of closes below 30 cents, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows, down in this area. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, you'd still have these stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do over time. They make progress in the upwards direction. Now, ideally speaking, meaning Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? If this level can continue to hold up support right here as 32 cents, that would by far make the chart look the most attractive. But I'm not going to say that if 32 cents fails as support, that the entire chart's ruined, because even at that point, as we discussed, the bulls would still have a chance to build a higher base. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? First area of resistance, and I'm sure if you're watching level 2s today, then you notice that whenever it got right up around 36 cents, prices really struggled. Yes, temporarily did get above it right here, but that didn't last very long. And then a couple other instances you can see got, rejected directly at that area. So 36 cents going to be that initial area of resistance on any sort of, move back to the upside. After 36 cents, next level up there, which is just simply where the party stopped today, and that's up there at 38 cents. So any way you slice it, though, good, solid day today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.